seen the fitness girls use these for pre-workouts and after workouts. We have the mango raspberry, we have the mango flavor, and the mango chili and salt. Now that I'm thinking about it, I kind of want to try the chili and salt, but we're gonna go with the raspberry, mango and raspberry. I hope it's good because it's really been hyped up. Look at this consistency. It's giving beef jerky. It's all like flabby and stuff. Okay. That texture is weird. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's the texture for me though. Okay. It's not bad.